Pressure cookers have been making a comeback in the last few years, and with the Gourmia's all-new Express Pot, they finally arrived. This Express Pot is the safest, most advanced pressure cooker ever made, thanks to 3 major innovations. It safely releases pressure when the cooking is done, unique for each food type. You can manually release the pressure to protect your hands and face from the steam release. And get this, it stirs the food inside without opening the lid by an ingenious process of pressure pulses, optimized for each food type. This revolutionary Express Pot has 13 levels of pressure, along with customizable settings so every recipe gets the perfect pressure and temperature for faster, better tasting meals. You'll find no end of uses for your Express Pot. Tender roasts, mouth-watering stews, savory puddings, and warm fruit desserts. There's a fantastic recipe book in the box to get you started. I personally love the spicy chicken soup. The real beauty of pressure cooking is the speed. This soup is done in a blazing 15 minutes. That's fast. So you might have to stall with our keyform function to let the rest of your meal catch up. You've just made a hearty, healthy meal in a fraction of the time. And that takes the pressure off of you. Pressure cooking the Gourmia way.
Do you want to know what my favorite thing is? Yeah! The MultiPot. The only cooker you'll ever need. MultiPot does it all. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice, saute, even yogurt and cake.
There's cake?
So how does it work? Magic. Actually, it's science. The MultiPot seals in and regulates steam, which creates a higher internal pressure, and that added pressure cooks food better and faster than anything else out there. How easy is it? That's tonight's dinner, salsa chicken. Ready in 30. For dessert, how about an award-winning cheesecake? Ready in 30. Meal prep for the week? Ready in 10. The MultiPot is like a slow cooker, but instead of being slow, it's fast. Barbecue chicken used to take 6 hours. In the MultiPot, it only takes 20 minutes. It has 9 safety mechanisms and 14 cooking programs, so I don't have to worry about it. And the Mealthy app offers easy-to-follow videos and tons of recipes that even my kids will eat. Mealthy gives you step-by-step, get-started videos. You'll also love that it comes with silicone mitts, an extra gasket, and a steamer basket, free.
It's so easy. I taught the 12-year-old how to use it.
I taught the dog how to use it.
There's so much in your life that's out of your control. Give yourself the gift of simple, healthy meals with the MultiPot. Get yours and try it out risk-free at Amazon.com. Oh, babe.
It's new. Crock-Pot Express Crisp, your all-in-one solution for pressure cooking and air frying. With 15 one-touch programs, the Crock-Pot Express Crisp combines 10 common kitchen appliances in one. Choose pressure cooking to cook extra tender dishes up to 70% faster. Attach our separate crisping lid for a crisp oven finish using the same appliance. Or for crunchy, healthy bites, choose air fry, which uses 99.5% less oil. Create your favorite recipes any way you like. The new Express Crisp from Crock-Pot. Quick, flavorful meals with a golden crisp finish, all in one pot. Cook delicious meals up to 70% faster with the 10-quart Crock-Pot Express Easy Release Pressure Cooker. No need to fuss with oven mitts and kitchen utensils to keep your hand away from the hot steam. The Easy Release steam dial makes releasing pressure simple and stress-free. Combine 9 common kitchen appliances in one. Easily prepare any recipe on the menu using one versatile appliance. You can even sterilize. Choose from 15 one-touch programs for delicious meals at the touch of a button. The new 10-quart capacity easily fits larger cuts of meat, perfect for entertaining or meal prep. Also enjoy convenient features such as delay start and the status bar, which tracks pressurization and preheat progress before cooking begins. For home-cooked meals, fast or slow, let Crock-Pot Express handle the pressure of mealtime.